In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cookie consent to your Shopify store. We all know that navigating the digital landscape comes with its own set of rules and regulations, particularly when it comes to privacy and data consent. As a Shopify store owner, ensuring compliance with these regulations isn't just about being a responsible business owner, it's also about providing transparency and trust for your customers. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to add a cookie consent banner to your Shopify store. First, you'll want to start off by logging into your Shopify admin panel. This is your main control hub where you can manage all aspects of your store. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Online Store. Click on it, and it will expand to show more options. From here, select Preferences. When you're in the Preferences section, scroll down until you find the Customer Privacy area. This is where you'll manage your store's privacy settings, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's there. The features in this section are designed to help you easily update your privacy protocol to meet regulatory requirements. Within the Customer Privacy section, you will see an option to manage consent for tracking preferences. Click on the link to learn more about how Shopify tracks customer data by default. Understanding this will help you make informed decisions on the level of consent you need to seek from your store visitors. Now, let's proceed to install an app for cookie consent. Head over to the Shopify App Store, which you can access directly from the admin panel. Once there, use the search bar to look up Cookie Consent Banner. You'll find several app options, so feel free to browse through and read the reviews to determine which app might suit your needs best. Some popular choices might even offer customizable options that align well with your store aesthetics. After selecting an app, install it by following the prompts. Most apps will require you to approve certain permissions, so make sure to read any pop-ups carefully to understand what you're granting access to. Once the installation is complete, you can usually find the app in the Apps section of your Shopify admin panel. Click on it to open and begin the setup process. To configure the app, you'll generally need to follow the instructions provided within the app itself. This often includes adjusting the appearance of the banner, such as colors and fonts, to match your brand, and configuring the consent options available to your customers. Remember, the key here is to ensure the banner is clear and easy for your customers to understand. Save your changes once you're satisfied with the setup, and check your store to ensure the cookie consent banner is displaying correctly. Test it on different devices to make sure it works seamlessly across desktops and mobiles. And there you have it. You've successfully added a cookie consent banner to your Shopify store, helping to enhance your store's compliance with data privacy laws while building trust with your customers. Thank you for joining me today, and happy selling!